There is nothing more exciting for a mother than to hear the heartbeat of her baby. And to make this unparalleled experience even more exciting, Amkay brings you Fetal Doppler to check your baby's heartbeat easily at the convenience of your own home. The main unit of this product comes with display area to keep all the readings in check, a speaker to make you hear the heartbeats, a probe to make the process, a DC port to connect the USB, an earphone, a probe connection port, and free rechargeable batteries. Now let's see how this product works. Connect the probe wire to the probe connection port. Apply gel on the stomach. Press the power key to turn on the machine. Press M key to set the mode and menu items. Put probe's face to your stomach and massage it gently with the gel. Press arrows to increase or decrease the sound. While pressing M, you can select amongst 4 modes: rate mode, average mode, digit mode, and curve mode, which you can select according to your need. After using it, press the power off button for 3 times to turn off the machine. This product is also available on Amazon, Flipkart, other online portals, and medical stores near you. Keep gushing over your baby's heartbeat with Amkay's Fetal Doppler.